Okay, welcome back. So what we're going to talk about now are the other live cases a bit delayed. I don't know what's happening here. I think it looks fine. So indications for ESD. We're on a colon day, so we'll talk about the colon. Tomorrow we'll talk about the upper GI. Um, in the image, I think you see the sort of standard thing that you might want an ESD in the rectum. Maybe it's even deeply invasive, and we could discuss the other potential things you could do. So we're going to have a discussion probably quite shortly about when to do ESD in the colon. I think it's contentious outside of the rectum. I think in the rectum there's broad consensus about what we should be doing. We already had a discussion about a flat, completely regular, granular lesion in the distal rectum and the reason why we might do that, although that's not on this list. And this is the ESG criteria for when to do en bloc resection, essentially in the colorectum. So we go through it. En bloc R0 resection, histologically free margins of a colorectal lesion with histology no more advanced than intramucosal cancer, well to moderately differentiated with no lymphovascular invasion, should be considered very low risk curative, and no further staging is generally recommended. Okay. It doesn't actually go into when you should do or not do this document anyway. EMR, this is covered in the polypectomy guideline. We'll go to that in a minute. This is more, you've done ESD, what do you do? So en bloc, high-grade dysplasia, essentially because intramucosal cancer, I think, is something we would like to avoid as a term. And then, okay, what about if we do en bloc